If you're looking to lose weight fast or wondering how to start a successful keto diet from the beginning, you've come to the right place. Because this week, I will be showing you guys how I lost 6 pounds in just 5 days. Hey guys, welcome to my first week back on keto. Yes, keto. Because I've realized my body is not feeling these carbs. I have been working out crazy with the trainer, but honestly, only thing I was doing was building muscle and toning up. But I haven't been losing weight. So stopped going to my trainer for the past maybe 3 weeks now. I have literally like 2 months till my birthday, and so I'm going back on the keto journey, and I'm hoping to bring you guys with me. But if you're not familiar with keto, it's just a high fat, moderate protein, and low carb diet. It's the most simple way for me to describe it. So I made my food for work today. For breakfast, I have 3 scrambled eggs, cooked in a half a serving of butter, 4 pieces of bacon. So that's gonna be breakfast. I also brought a side salad with me for lunchtime. And then I'll figure out dinner a little bit later. And then I've also challenged myself to work out for 10 days straight. So if you guys haven't been watching my shorts, you can go there and see the days that I've completed so far. So on the weekend, I had got on the scale, the weight was high. So I'm just getting back on track with this. And of course, I'll show you guys my before and after weight as well. Hopefully during this first week, we'll lose some weight. All right, I'm finished eating and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, here's my salad with 1 serving of ranch, 1 serving of turkey lunch meat, and then also 1 boiled egg and cucumbers. I'm about to have this and then I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, here's dinner. I made myself a double cheeseburger with only a half of a slice of cheese and 4 ounces of lean ground beef on a low carb keto bun. About 2.5 cups of broccoli and a half of an avocado with everything bagel seasoning on there and a cold Coke Zero. All right, I'm gonna have dinner and then I will talk to you guys tomorrow and let you know how the first day on keto went. Okay, here's dinner. I have a grilled chicken Caesar salad with cans of light Caesar dressing, half of an avocado cut up, cucumbers, and 6 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. All right, that's gonna be dinner. And then I never got a chance to talk to you guys earlier, so I'll talk to you after I get done eating. Here's dinner. I have
like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe, y'all. I have lamb chops and asparagus from Longhorn. I forgot these came with some sort of a like sauce gravy type of thing. So I wiped it off of the lamb chops. But as you can see, a little bit got onto the asparagus. That's what it looked like. So I know that's not keto friendly. I wiped off as much as I could. But I'm still eating out. Here's my dinner. And then I also have a Caesar side salad, no croutons. All right, I'm about to eat and then I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I haven't really checked in. Honestly though, I've been feeling good. I've been staying on track. The workouts, I'm supposed to work out today. I had challenged myself to work out 10 days in a row, so I may have to add another day on the end, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it today because it's been a long week, especially the last couple of days. I'm tired, but as far as the food go, I've been honestly just showing you the food. The couple of times that I haven't showed you, like the past couple of mornings, I've been bringing 4 pieces of bacon to work. And yesterday as well as today, I did stop at Tim Hortons and I got me, I don't know why I didn't show y'all, but I did stop at Tim Hortons and I got me some of those bacon egg bites yesterday. And then today I got me some of those chorizo egg bites. And then I also got, listen, I could not help myself with getting a coffee from there. But what I did was I got a medium coffee, 3 cream, 2 Splenda. So that's what I got. And I got on the scale this morning, and since we've started on Monday, today is Friday, but since we started on Monday, this morning I was down 6 pounds, something like that. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the weight. So yeah, I'm super excited. First week back on keto, I'm feeling good. I'm starting to get to the point now where I'm not really feeling hungry. And yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Tonight I'm gonna make me some steak and eggs and I'll cook that in a little bit of butter. They're not really keto friendly, but I may do some sauteed onions as well to go with it. And honestly guys, like I feel like I can already start seeing it in my face. Even though I got so long to go, so far to go, but it is what it is. I'll show you guys my dinner in a little bit, and then I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, here's my dinner. I have my steak with grilled onions. I kind of burned them a little bit, but it's all good. I'm still gonna eat it. I have 2 scrambled eggs, and then I also have some asparagus that I cooked in the air fryer. I put pink Himalayan sea salt on there. Then I just put just a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt on the eggs. In that little space in the middle, I plan on putting just like a half of a serving of A1 steak sauce. It's not really keto, but a half of a serving or a serving won't hurt nobody, okay? So that's dinner, and then I did cook this with butter. I think 1.5 servings of butter. All right, okay, that's dinner. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Here's the amount of steak sauce that I put on the plate. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for real now. Hey guys, it is Saturday, weigh-in day, and I'm still tired from yesterday, like no lie. I did not work out. Like I said, I probably wouldn't. And that's cool. My dinner was good though. So I never told y'all what my weight was when I got on the scale. So before I show you guys, when I had restarted this weight loss journey, right, I started out at 230.2 pounds. After I had been working out with a trainer, all that stuff, I came down like 7.5 pounds in that first month. Yeah, that first month, plus some inches and all that stuff. But like now, the way that my body looks now after working out for like 3 months, 4 months or whatever now, it looks totally different than it did when I started in January. But the weight is back up. Like the weight was like, I'm gonna pop it up on the screen because I can't remember the exact number, but I want to say it was like 231 pounds or something like that, right? So I'm like, what the? I'm not gonna ramble about it, but I'm just telling y'all, like, I could tell the difference that my body has been toning and building muscle, but that's not what your girl was trying to do by going to a trainer. Like, I'm trying to slim down. It's like I'm back to the same weight where I was, but my body is looking totally different at that weight now. That's why I just was like, you know what? Ex the trainer. I'm going to end up doing my own thing. It did take me a couple weeks to kind of really get a good rhythm going, but now here I am. Some people say like, oh, don't pay attention to that scale, but I'm the type of person where my real true results come from that scale. Let me know what y'all think about that. I'm also thinking about starting to do like my workouts that I've been doing on shorts. I'm thinking about going live with them. Let me know if y'all would be down. Obviously, it would be minimal equipment wise. Let me know down below what you think. Let me know down below where y'all at in y'all journey right now. Anyways, though, I'll see you guys when I stop being lazy and get up off this couch and go get on the scale. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I came down 6 pounds. I plan on keeping up with this keto lifestyle at least for a couple months. I do go to Myrtle Beach this upcoming Thursday for our son's birthday, but I don't plan on that derailing me at all. Let me know what you guys think about this and what you think about keto anyways. It's a lot of controversy about it. Can you maintain the weight off after coming off of keto? I have a love-hate relationship personally with keto myself. I may do an egg fast this upcoming week, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss an upload, because I don't go off of a regular schedule. Give me a like if you like this video. Until next time, bye.